Hello, I'm Shane from Orange Hitches NZ Limited. About 18 months ago, we brought the ArcBro Stinger, the CNC plasma table. Absolutely fantastic little machine. And yeah, I just want to tell a little bit of our story of how it's gone for us. So when we started out, we were just building these little hitches for tractors, just going the 3-point linkage, pretty simple. And then we brought the ArcBro so we could do everything in-house and obviously slowly develop a line of tractor attachments for the market that we were meeting. As I was just explaining to the guys, it's been a bit of a tough year for us. So at the start of the year, state of the economy, farmers stopped spending, so we had a real slowdown on the agricultural side. But the beauty of having the ArcBro is that we don't have to outsource, so we're pretty light on our feet and change direction when we had to. So we started doing some gear like this. So we started doing, this is a digger leveler. So your digger hooks onto here. It's got a hydraulic tilt in the side so you can angle it. It's got a cutter bar on the front with a scoop or a shovel. So you can pull it towards you and scoop up material and even out building sites or paddocks or lawns or whatever you want. So only one New Zealand building these. Kind of got the idea off of some American websites. It's just the ArcBro has given us that convenience of being able to really take a concept to retail in a matter of weeks, and sometimes even shorter than that. So we've built a whole range of these products, plus we're now doing box blades and a lot of skid steer track loader attachments, which has significantly moved us away from agriculture and into other industries, which has given us really good cash flow and turnover again. So a little bit anxious about when farmers get going well again, because that'll really dramatically affect our sales, no doubt. And keeping up will be the next problem. But yeah, just really a big fan of the plasma table. Great bit of gear. It's not hard to use, and what you can do with it is amazing. Yeah, the great part is that we don't outsource or don't have to outsource any of our work. So, for example, on this leveler, there's so many different pieces, but the only part that we buy in is the hydraulic ram for the tilt and the hoses. The rest is all made in-house. So everything from these, the rings, even the hose cover here that's made out of 3mm. We're now cutting our own logos into things like that. Everything on here we've cut, and yeah, it keeps it all in-house, costs way down, and once again, it gives us that convenience of not waiting for anyone. So as soon as you get an idea, next thing you're making it, and then it's rolling out the door. Just once again, this has been this is a new attachment for us. It's called a brush grapple. So it goes on the front of a tractor on a Euro loader. It's for picking up logs and scrub and bush and cleaning up people's farms and backyards. But once again, the CNC's given us that ability to do some pretty clever stuff. So this is 20mm thick, the rake part here, and you see how clean the cut is. It's beautiful. Very little cleanup afterwards. As you can see, they haven't even had to grind that surface. Just taking the slag off and a touch on the sharp edge, and it's ready to weld up. And yeah, a guy rang us and asked us to build one. So once again, from the request, from concept to having something rolling out the door was only about a week, and that's part of our build list now, and we've made quite a few of them. So another good little success story for the CNC. So cutting this 20mm, we've done quite a few changes to get it cutting right. The latest is Proline's just supplied us 125 tips, which just makes a beautiful cut. It's nice and straight. There's very little slag, and you can see here there's no grinding, just a touch along the edge. We even cut a circle in here to run this bar through. So there's very little cleanup. If any had to be done, the bar just slid straight in. The same with the 12mm by 80mm flat here. We just cut a slot in it and then slid the bar through afterwards. Really helps it all line up, and very little cleanup to do. So as I said, we've had the machine for a little under 18 months. During that time, we've had no breakdowns. It's been super reliable. Proline Industries carry a good stock of all the consumables, and it's been a really, really great machine. So having a machine like this gives you such a huge potential to be able to make good Kiwi-made product that meets our market as it needs it in a really efficient and prompt way.